In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error code 277 in Roblox. So this error code indicates a lost connection to the game server, usually caused by unstable internet or server interruptions. So the first thing I suggest doing is making sure you actually have an internet connection, preferably a wired connection. You can try restarting your router. To do this, you just need to unplug it for about 30 seconds to a minute and then plug it back in. So the next thing we're going to try is flushing our DNS. To do this, you need to open up your start menu, type in command prompt and right click on this. Now click run as administrator and now type in this command, ipconfig space / flush DNS. I'll leave this in the description down below. Next you just need to press enter. So the next thing we'll do is delete any temporary files that are stored on the computer. Some of these may be corrupt. To do this, press the Windows key and R and type in %temp %. Press OK. Now press on the 3 dots, press select all and press bin. Now right click on your recycling bin and press empty. So if you're still having issues, the next thing to do is right click on the Roblox player, press open file location, press on the 3 dots, press select all and put this all in the bin. So what we're doing is uninstalling Roblox from our computer. Now we need to reinstall it. So the next thing you can check is there's no firewalls blocking Roblox from playing. So what you need to do is go into your start menu, go to settings, go to privacy and security, now go to Windows security. Now you need to open up firewall and network protection, click private network, and you need to turn off Microsoft Defender Firewall. Now test Roblox. If it's still not working, I suggest turning this back on. The next thing you want to check is you have no VPNs running. To do this, go to network. Now click on VPN. In this menu here, it will show you all the VPNs you have. As you can see, I have none. So we'll go back to network. Next thing to do is change your DNS settings. Go onto Wi-Fi, go to your Wi-Fi's properties. Now scroll down until you get to DNS server assignment. Now press edit. Now change your preferred DNS and alternative DNS to the same as mine. Then press save. And the last thing to do is restarting your computer. If you followed all these steps, your Roblox should be working again. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.